Have you ever wondered what makes saffron the world's most expensive spice? Imagine turning a small garden into a golden treasure trove. Saffron not only spices dishes but also offers amazing health benefits and gives you a potential income source. In this video, we'll explore why you should consider growing saffron. Saffron comes from the Crocus sativus flower, known as the saffron crocus. Each flower produces 3 red stigmas, which are the prized saffron threads. Growing saffron is simpler than you might think, and you don't need a large space. First, choose the right location. Saffron thrives in well-drained, sunny spots. Look for a patch of land that gets plenty of light, ideally at least 6 hours daily. Next, prepare the soil. Use light, sandy soil rich in organic matter. This type of soil allows for proper drainage, essential for saffron growth. Once your soil is ready, it's time to plant. Purchase saffron corms, which are the bulbs of the saffron crocus. Plant them about 4–6 inches deep, spacing them 6–8 inches apart. Water them lightly after planting to help them settle. After planting, be patient. Saffron corms need a few weeks to establish roots. As autumn approaches, you'll notice your saffron flowers blooming. This is the exciting part. Each flower will bloom beautifully, showing off its striking purple petals. Harvesting saffron is crucial. Pick flowers early in the morning when they're fully open. Carefully remove the red stigmas, taking care not to damage the flower. Quickly dry the stigmas to preserve their flavor and color. Consider the benefits. Growing saffron requires low maintenance, and the rewards are worth it. Not only can you use saffron in cooking, but its health benefits include improved mood and digestion. Plus, you can sell excess saffron to earn some extra cash. If you're unsure, think of societies that have thrived growing saffron. In regions like Iran and Spain, saffron farming is a tradition that supports local economies. In summary, growing saffron can be an enriching experience. You gain a superb spice, enjoy health benefits, and possibly earn extra income. Your little garden can produce a high-value crop without extensive effort. Ready to get started? Check your local gardening store now for saffron corms, and begin your saffron journey today. Like and subscribe for more tips on gardening and growing unique plants. Your golden opportunity awaits.